Welcome back. We are seated on Cobra's Curse at Busch Gardens Tampa. Buckle up, as we're about to explore the excavation site of the legendary Snake King.
Dive into a fully immersive 360-degree experience. Move your smartphone to look around. For the ultimate 360 degrees immersion, use a VR headset. Cobra's Curse, in 360 degrees.
Watch the walls. The temple is awakening. We have disturbed the king's rest, and now the curse follows. This is unique. Instead of a chain lift hill, we use this vertical elevator. It pulls us nearly 70 feet straight up. Soon, we will be eye to eye with the 80-foot tall Snake King Venomous. Get ready for the drop. And there he is. Hold on tight. Heads up, we're spinning. From here, we ride blind. The vehicle is mechanically locked, so we experience this entire section completely backwards.
Cobra's curse is upon you.
That was a wild ride from Mack Rides. We zipped through the circuit at up to 40 miles per hour, first forwards, then backwards, and finally in a free spin. A brilliant family coaster where every ride is different. I hope your stomach is still in place.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. See you next time.